welcome back to Katie's Cool Creations, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Katie and I'm super happy that you found my channel. In today's video, oh my goodness guys, I can't say this, but I want to. I'm doing another DIY, and it's another liquid one. If you haven't already, please check out my DIY liquid pens after this video, after you watch this video, if you haven't already, because they turned out so cool. And anyways, in today's video, I will be making some DIY liquid bracelets. They look exactly like the ones you buy at the store. I am not exaggerating. They look exactly like the ones that you can get at the store. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, so you never miss any of my new fun videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So for these bracelets, you'll need some clear vinyl tubing. I got mine at Lowe's. And then you'll need some Elmer's clear glue. This is optional if you just want to make yours more thick. And then you can get some glitter and just random stuff to add in your bracelet. Now you can take your vinyl tubing and measure it around your arm and then just cut it off whenever you have the right length. Now fill up one end of the holes with hot glue so the water cannot get out at all. And that is what it should look like. Now fill the open end with some of your Elmer's glue. And then I just am taking a dropper and adding some water just to make it more liquidy. And just repeat those steps. And when you're ready, you can take a funnel and add any glitters of your choice. I'm adding chunky glitter, fine glitter. And now you can take some just like little, I don't know what they're called, honestly. I had to cut mine up so they can fit. And this is what your thing should look like. And then when you are ready, you can fill up the other end with some hot glue. And just to secure it, you can take some clear tape, duct tape, and just tighten it on to the two ends so you have a bracelet. And this is my bracelet all completed, and I really like how it turned out. So that is how you make these super easy DIY liquid bracelets. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because, like I said at the beginning of the video, these bracelets look exactly like the ones at the store. Am I right? Comment down below if you believe me. I don't know. But if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!